Hello and welcome to UberPad, India's first smart AV e-commerce store. Today we're checking out the SVS PB2000 Pro, a high-fidelity powered subwoofer for home theater systems. With this subwoofer, you can enjoy a thunderous bass output and a frequency response as low as 17 Hz. Before we get into the details of this beast of a subwoofer, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we post a new video. Now, let's get into it. The SVS PB2000 Pro incorporates a massive 12-inch long throw driver in a front firing position. The woofer driver is made from dual high-grade ferrite magnets, FEA optimized motor, and a reinforced Nomex spider. The subwoofer is driven by a built-in Sledge STA500D DSP optimized Class D amplifier that can deliver up to 550 watts RMS or 1500 watts peak output. The result of this combination is a chest-thumping bass output that makes its presence felt in the room. The subwoofer features dual 3-inch front-firing high-flow ports that not only enhance the bass output but also lets you place the subwoofer close to walls without any compromise in sound quality. The PB2000 Pro features convenient control and custom presets using the SVS Subwoofer DSP smartphone app for iOS, Android and Amazon devices, and it connects via Bluetooth. The SVS app is the most convenient way to control volume, EQ, access multiple DSP functions and programs, and custom presets for music, movies, gaming, and more. On the back panel, you'll find an intelligent control interface with an array of crossover filters, along with volume and phase controls to let you fine-tune the performance based on your preferences. The SVS PB2000 Pro powered subwoofer delivers a frequency response between 60 to 290 Hz, and you can expect 2 to 3 Hz deeper extension in small to mid-sized rooms. Input connectivity on the subwoofer is provided via premium-grade stereo RCA LFE connectors. There is also a line-level output feature that can be used to connect to other loudspeakers or subwoofers. The high-output subwoofer is housed in a robust MDF cabinet with internal braces and is draped in a black ash vinyl finish. The subwoofer driver is protected via a non-resonant detachable fabric mesh grille and is isolated from the floor via iso-elastomer feet. You can use the SVS PB2000 Pro subwoofer as part of a stereo or a multi-channel setup by pairing it with other speakers. For more information on the best pricing, warranty and availability of the SVS PB2000 Pro subwoofer, get in touch with UberPad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.